So in order to display the matching mentors, we need another block of filtered mentors. So above Meet the Mentors, we'll add some filtered mentor blocks. And then the filtered mentor blocks is going to look a lot like the mentor blocks. So I'm going to save this as filtered mentor blocks module. And I'm going to save this as filtered mentor blocks.html. Change those names. Okay, so now it's pretty much just a duplicate of the other one. And we'll add an H3 here. And we're going to return to that. So right now it's just going to be lockstep with the mentor block. Because they're both using the same piece of data. And I think I missed something. So filtered mentor blocks module. Oh, I need to add the dependency. Okay. So I actually have two copies. I need to break it right here. So after the list of mentors, let's go ahead and add a break. Clear both. Okay, so your mentor and meet the mentors. Now we only want to show the filtered mentors here instead of all the mentors. So mentor in filtered mentors. And then in this block here, we want to watch for changes to selected department. We don't need to get the mentors again because we already got those from the regular mentor controller. So we want to return scope.selectedDept, and then when that changes, we'll call a function new val old val, And for now, we'll just log a message that the department's changed. Okay, so now we're not setting it to anything. All right, so FilteredMentors got computer information systems, computer info, comp. So when these things change, we want to set FilteredMentors to the matching mentor department. And let's change this to LogDuck. So now in this function, what I need to do is I need to take the selected department and I need to find all of the mentor IDs for the mentors for the departments that match, and then make an array of those mentors, and then set FilteredMentors equal to that array. So let's go ahead and work through that. Let's start by finding all the departments that have that match this string. So first I want to get the departments. So that's all the departments. And then departments dot for each function department. So this is going to loop through all of the departments, and if department dot depth dot to lowercase dot index of, and then scope dot selected depth dot to lowercase. If that whole thing is greater than -1, that means the department matches. So basically it's saying take the selected department, convert it to lowercase, and then if it appears in the department name, convert it to lowercase, then the department matches. So if the department matches, then I care about the department.mentor ID. I want to find the mentor with that mentor ID. So I need a mentor IDs hash table where I can look up the value. So let's go ahead and build one of those as well. And then the code for generating the hash table is basically the same as we did in the mentor data service. So we created a mentor IDs object. Initialized, except this time we're not going to initialize it. And then this loop goes through all the mentors and builds the hash table, the lookup table. Okay. So now mentor match is equal to mentor IDs sub department dot mentor ID. So now we have the mentor object for that department, or we have undefined. If mentor match not equal undefined, and make an array of the matching mentors. So this says we found a mentor and the mentor is not on the array of matching mentors. Then matching mentors dot push mentor match. So at the end of this loop, we should have an array where each matching mentor is only listed one time. And then set scope dot filtered mentors equal to matching mentors. So this should work if we get back one or more matching mentors. We'll have to do something special if nobody comes back. See how it works. So comp return didn't get anything. So let's go ahead and put a breakpoint in there. Oh, we did get an error. So departments is not defined right there. Ah. Okay, so I typed comp and I got the three computer mentors, CAS, CIS, and CS. So computer information systems, computer science, and two health mentors, physical education and physics. So this all seems to be working. If I type X, I just get that. So that's not very good. So let's go ahead and use ng-show and ng-hide to fix that part. So I'm going to go to my filtered mentor blocks, and I'm going to put this whole thing inside of a div box. Actually, I'm going to move this down in here, and then I'm going to say ng-show when FilteredMentors.length greater than 0. And then I'm going to copy that block. Actually, I'm not going to copy the block. I'm just going to type div ng-show equal FilteredMentors.length equal 0. H3 So here we're going to add a paragraph. little paragraph of text. Save that. And we're probably going to have to do something so that this doesn't show up before the first search, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Right, so we don't want this to show yet. So that works. That works. That works. That works. So on load, we know that we don't want to show anything because selected depth is empty. So here, FilteredMentors.length is 0, and selected depth.length greater than 0 should work. Looks good. So I'm going to get rid of the selected depth now because I don't really need it anymore. I think that's in the department combo actually. So let's go ahead and look at the department combo, kill that, save, get rid of that. Make sure this still works. Looks good.